Sa shisen pat kuble ye fi baro pidang ye pe ye ko kubor jong u maupor. Habeng nya che prang bat ko kubor haken ni gopor tungin ye pe ye ki mat ki bakong san jong ko kubor kumne. Persha ka seng balang na riboy ban pakhang met. On sa sha akta ki duk ki rangli. Shua ban rakhe dap sanpos nem ka jila kwa u Sherman ka regional committee West Khas Hills ban penbet no yo uput. Asnem omla pendep ki kontraktor ban chnai ye kenala basaus pa meter hamaukar kendo jing e ki pajba. Kershanlang ke KSU ya ka bai sumar yo hybrid shamombai. Shiteng met poi ka met u ba nil nong kendri shamegalia. Leis ngolem u deputy CM, MLA ki MDC bat DC East Khas Hills District ya ki bahayeng hasem jong u ba nil nong kendri.
Nga soban siem kene ka bu ba nagalang ka seng dujingi ka Riboy Youth Organization RBYO Central Body nga so ban ai khuble snem thmai ye pi ki pai ba baro begini akamet buat bakia rengkat bat a ki kam ki jam ki bobiang te kene ka por nga wan ta pau speak pai ba nagalang ka seng ni dap dari so kya ka ba kraw ka do ka ta hapleng jong ini bomat ini ki jing ini sngi kipor kiba mentah kaba nadu kisnem kiba depno kiba ngile banmat ya kene ka lockdown ya kini ki jingja hapok jong ne ka jelah ki jungi empat hapok keperti hiborok tuai te ke bangas ko bon kene ka por ko mentah ban pendip spi ko ba namar bangi ni em hapren ka jinglai loy kari ki jing secar jong ka jinglai loy bangin chat te mrau hangno te hendrai ke ba pensokia ya ka bangangan mi shikmat dan yang bangi muka sengin mi shikman kalong ba lada kasnor kar MDA kan diosngo le ba jung ka khubor akan ka por ko menta ba to sange no ya ka ban ay ka lockdown namar ba sakano pat ngi ki ba ngin man ki jinjar hakin ni sngi ki baladap no ki bangil dap mat bro te samantara dan ngin yok dia ngin ka lockdown kalong ke jingyap ya ki tuk isuk kirang ri ki juki ba khantam ki nongrap ki barat di kebun ki jat jingthung ki jingtep ki juki tenang ta sucu kumbang li i ni ski blada ka sarkar kala persang ban penmi ya ka order ban aino e ki od ki event number kanero kala kta shishahi lada de ki nong somdukan lada de ki nong nya kali kamai bat komta terter hato balai ngingin bam jasho ngingin belasho lada ngingin duk no watasis ni ban belaro kalong ki nong ka bakraw ya ki ngasam Kamtam ki badon ki kon ki ki badai chiki school hoi kadang ka online class hendrai ki kmi ki kpa ki hapan siubait ya ka bai monthly fees ka juki chiki school ki hapan siubait namara da kim siuro kimio e result kimio ki class ki kon ki juki ki hapan terbiang nangta ki donro ki ba shong dukan ki hapan siu ya ka bai wai dukan ki donro ki ba shong wai ki ying ki hapan siuro ki bai ying hatu ka sarkar katip ya kata ki cing juki pai ba watang ukhaw hayu juki ki bobon ki longying ki don man shet ban bam endre kata ka sarkar ka ui kata nagilang ki board district ui kata teke kan nagilang rajunga ngasko ban penpau bangarap da ki sokhia ka bokraw lada ka sarkar kan penmi ikini ki ot ki event number endre na takada nagilang ki ka seng igitu ka sarkar ba ka de man sange no ban ai ikini ki ot ki event number po jelah hi borok kawai nang ta susu haga bai de bat kane ka jingpang covid khat khandai menta pa de gini ski bunyi i menta kalong ba lami isu omicron kene nakalian ka sarkar kalapun bor ban shim ketika iki bro hoi nga nakalian guji im baseng ngim khang iki bomon ban shim ketika iki ki ba kebetulan ka masim guji ban shim ketika to ai kin shim kam lele hendrai ke ek banga kwa ban penpa ka por kalong ba phim dei ban penbor ya ki wei pat ban shim ketika hadu ba pinda lek chikisnong ki thau ba pinda pha pratasnong iki ra basnong hadu ban phin pha iki asha hadu ba pinda pha ya bandrung haki tliwing iki volunteer jupi man ki tliwing phin pha rong phin ban lek kili phin ong kila da enjek ndre kita don ro kilong ying ki ba ki pompat da enjek kila ong yang kita ki kon gujuki to gitu ki baladap an ai injek yang la kajong bat ki pompat da ai la kajong ki shondor kene kalau ra ek divide and rule policy wat hadu haying hasem hasnong atau bat apok ri ba ka jek bendre gujingi ngim kwa ban kanwan kan divide and rule ba nginyele thma haying hasem nginyele thma po snong pa thau hapeng ki baladap ai injek bat ki pompat da ai injek dengan kerpat dia ka storkar MDA baya kanero kade ban sange no mardor ban pinbor ban shime gitika to ai ki hakamon ga balai lut bikin rai namar ka met ka juki kade ka rai ka juki namar balada jai ya kalong ying bejuki hadin balada ain jek ro onom don mono balak ban bakli ya kalong ying hibrok kowe ban ka bakado ke bangat snoban penpah ke por ke menta kalong ka bangada sosi thang hadu kata hero bahabdin bangali ban tip ya ke jingja ke barajah ni por hoi district hapo shnong saiden hadin ba kowe kalong kimi ka ba kalalik ban shim dawai nak menta ke boyong kli hadin ba haban lek test hadin ba kalalik lek test kalau positif but hadin kata kalau ya kini ke jingpang COVID-19 ke ba kila penpau Hendra hadin ba kata nak kalian jong ka health department ni kila-kili ya ka kilo ong ba pinsyong haying ni pinsyong postal Hendra nak kalian jong ni kalong kami nanti na po stiden kalau ong ba nga ngan syong ba haying na makabiang ka jaka syong ni kasta kani kalong kami kala syong shipos ni haying but hadin kata ro kani kalong kami kala de ban shim ni ketika ro but hadin stang kato kani por gipin penapat bakani kalong kami kalau yo jingpang omicron de kani kalong kami kabo shu imbe tang na po lum haying laying halum mentrai Hendrai ke bos nol ngak kolong ba kumno kanyo ikani ke jingpang omicron dan kalian kejungi kesen ngikitu ke sarkar ba kamdei ban penpanai kini ham saya bat kamdei ban keno kelumar ya ka bom don nomre bro tang balik duk isuk kirang li kijuki hato ke sarkar kan you right now balik ki kim dan hok show bakit im hakata ke jingnai lut kijuki batang kita badan hakabor gini banyak dan bor Hendrai kirmau ladang ngidon hakabor nang ngimdan hakabor Hendrai ngidi berlong ki breu ki blai lut bat ki im light lut hi namar ba tongin burom bro ya kata ke constitution jonggari India namar ba ngiem haduk ini singi menta ngiem ki blai lut bat kalian ke Supreme Court hiru haduk menta hi kampat sebeladan kono ke order bangin syak hukum la ne bangin syak penbor habis dia bukan ketika Hendrai haduk menta hi ngidang long ki blai lut bat ba kesong hakamon ko jingi balarang ngi pedang ni ngim pedang ya ketika ya ka bakado ka long ba na ketui ka sarkar ba kadai ban sanget marro ri kini ki eki boro ki jing penbor habai dei bat kini ki benci me ketika lane ban penpena ya kini ka jingpang omicron kam detip ya ka jing shisha namar galong ka bakta ya galong ying bat ya kari ba kecai bendre ni ka jingi boleh sebut
yeah you see we had two meeting recently on 30th of last month as well as on 5th of this month we had a meeting and as I always said that the meeting is always positive so it will be good only I can't say whether we up to what percentage we can solve these differences but we are trying hard to reduce to the minimum the area of differences if not all but to some extent there will be a solution before we celebrate the 50th year before we celebrate the golden jubilee of the state we hope that there will be a settlement. The only thing is that whether that settlement can be disclosed to people, we are yet to know that. Maybe we can disclose, maybe we will not disclose to people, but there will be an agreement. There will be a settlement. And in some of the places for which we do not settle, we may agree to disagree. So it depends on the village to village. But I'm telling you, as of now, the thing is very positive, even though we cannot disclose, I'm not supposed to disclose the internal matters of this talk that we had. It all depends on the wisdom of our Chief Minister, because at the end of the day, our committee reports, our committee recommendation will reach to the level of the Chief Minister, and we have already submitted. So whatever the meeting that we had also in this two meeting, it not in fact the meeting that we are still have to decide, but we have discussed to help our board Chief Minister to understand better before they take the final decision. And I am happy to say that whatever finding that we found in the joint visit, they have done the report accordingly. They have written the report accordingly. Of course, myself as the chairman from Meghalaya, from this regional committee, Nongstoin, West Kazihil, and then from Assam, Master Atul Bora. And along with me, always in these two meetings, DC, Deputy Commissioner, who is the member secretary. And of course, some official from revenue. We have requested them also to be there. And from Assam also, yes, the officers from there, like the commissioner, the principal secretary of border development, the director of the border development, and others officers have joined the meeting. Wait for that right time. We hope our chief minister, when we had the meeting at once again, and that also depends, but I doubt that whether it's possible to share. Only when they come to the final conclusion, maybe they will be able to share. But from my side, I will not be able to share the insight of the recommendation. We want that there should not be any dispute in between. And as you all know, that in that chief minister's meeting at Langpi, it has been decided that for the central scheme, the project that has been taken up by both the states should be allowed. So that is the main decision that has taken at Langpi. Like JJM water supply that we are doing, it should be allowed if they do from Assam or from our side, PMGSY, that or Sobhakia, this electricity connection. So all this important. We don't feel, both the chief minister, they felt that the people should not be deprived of the right as we are settling down the differences. So I don't feel that it is important. I think now it's time for the level of chief minister to take the final call on this. Discussion here under may take place, of course, but as a full committee, I don't think it's required because we have done our job. We have submitted, so I don't feel that it's required again to sit again on this. The thing is that if we have to discuss, it is only to help our chief minister to understand better on the area that we are, like in my area, that I have taken the responsibility to study more in depth. So it's just that. Otherwise, I don't think it's required to have meeting again and again.
Ki arngut ki kontraktor ki papentrei ya kanala harut surok jong kesno mokhar ki krempat pendap ya jing trai menta la arsnam kabla penloi ki paiba nolai nongwan berkamtam ya ki nong snong ban mat jing hakali kawan halor kane na kaliang kador bar snong mokhar hapo ka jing lam urang ba snong ba arwan taryang asistan rang ba snong ba ransom sutanga bat kir khor ka executive darbar hagas ngit hoding kilale jurep ikene ka jing trai balala ba ki arngut ki kontraktor ki krempat la ban pendap katba ki arngut ki weipat kilala ban pendap ya kakam ki noyalam snong kilapan pau ke jing sukhya halor ke jing bom shema jung kini ki arngut ban pendap ya kakam wala kakam gal sedang nadu usnam arjakat khandai kilai thuru ba ke jing trai kamlong kat kum ke jing kimilanti henry kini ki arngut ki kontraktor ba kentup yo ba shining kila sutrai torti kilapan shairu ba kamdai ke jing bom shimkhya jung ki noyalam snong ba kakam kasakut kumba ki pajba ki kenno henry dena kini ki kontraktor kasnong ka kentu ya kini ki arngut ki kontraktor bakin pendap no kloi balada kimla kadar basnong kaman se bun ujor syakibor bahalor
am kawihi kalong ba ngi na kaliang kasnong am ka kalalong kajing penbet palat yakini kinong syong snong kibadon kini giyeng kibaphai phang surap am ado bakin mi na yeng ru la jenjar nang tara ka baar badeo pajba badeo ngemban se na kasnong in hapan bu no entry nang the na marba tang na bata kini gajing slam juga gajing tray juga kini ginala kay dina makata long ila panjenjar di pajbaru para kaju kapor kini kinong snong kini kiba don yeng le ahmad yung surop dina marba kini gajing tray tay ba ahmad tu tay ba shining tay ba shining daily kamot nadu usnam arhajar kak kendai lastam. Nadu arhajar kak kendai. Kini serum lay te kidang sedang mentau senam lay arfuai. Kidang sedang mentau arfuai. Itu lay nadu kat kendai lastam. Ndai hadu mentau datang mau basa bat na kini kibayo kiba tray hadian de stang undi u babul bayo akan ke tray mentau undi nadu krismar undi ru lasu la kai. Ndai te bahang te haneng tu antri pawa bat te ba hobat tu te kibiang ba. Dia nomor kata long kacing kadau lani ka balingi karpat ifi pras pan one day nomor bangi osgo ba nakaliang jogi pat ba keno ay kasnong iong bakade kasnong kapam kitkhya kade kasnong kapam hajer ba di nomor kata ngikwa pan pensay hang ni pa nakaliang kasnong lay ngilale kat lakat ya ngila watlot kilat ginting ngilale kendu ikibahe ngilale kendu ki engineer wat ui jong ka central division le lawan hita ladi di banwan pej ya kini ka kamru dia mau uru nakaliang jo uru la mana hi tu ka doktor ndrei kampoi bere situ situ longi mta snong ngi don ha tu ka locality beautification mo betul ka locality beautification kalong ba kade kajing long kubong kajing terwan nakaliang sarkar mo nakaliang tourism department pen babri la bon pen internet ikini snong kita jongi te nomor kata long matas ngirung ya lum kumniru namang yele inspection in pet kinu kita kijaka ki bangin pen internet kinu kijaka ki pen pu nomor tumbo piket hi makani ka locality verification kade ke competition nata ngila banyo kadon ka price tu banai kini kisnong ndai bangi mentandai ngisa aku umdum tang na mentajong kini mata. Kumbasyon no ya kita ka price la do no tang na betajong gajing le kini. Kumentangin ngin kumbaong aktir pareng ngin beautify kumno kita kasno. Habat keleng kerang kat ni ya le adu kat ni ko taktor kan. Tenamar kata long kumbiyong i stan raba snong mata ni baran som setengah. Kalong ba long ikermen ba takani kejing ya kenduk jong pi ba takajing yarap ke jong pi. Long kan pen kendit pen rew kini kontraktor ki bangi la ya keren life lakat no sen ngala keren re long kumpas keren ni ki bakelot em kimios long kat no ro kem tre ke kelada kidon kumte ba stationing ru upen idau kumtai te kum kontraktor swaban sim ke jentre ngong yu rade ban pejam rade sobo pemla man tre nai sim de beli fisim mentan dala sim bade pipen i daw yangi pipen jenjar yangi ka snong ka thau bro awai te ka long kata ke katu kanala mentan dang katno hisnam rupat don katu kanala kalapat luar kata de pipet kum kani hang ni haneng ru dang din kilawan kiwan po PHC wan po municipal ula ya opo bu ya penhap yang du slap lai pendekut lo ki pipe rohai mentah kate mentah hamarang te hajan blue heaven ha hapti biang ya kato dai ba stan hop i rang badong idon hang de ya don lang bat ngan den kin haban ti biang itu kesurok haban kle biang itu slap pan snai kita ki pipe tolong teng kita te ba seneng le tu bala palat go sule tang mandep syalak kam long kam ihun ka kam ke hadian bengilayo i le ki kom tre jong samtam uniu we group 3 ngatrai ni ha group 3 liu Anthony bakloi na pedeng jong brokhoi ko doktor bandap di ki jentrei ki jong u ban dapet bakate ki jentrei number 1 te kham ya hap hang no kham ya hap hang no am kata ke nakaliang jong i ko mo nga mata te ngi lakun lap babar baro kini ki benai baro kini ki snam ngila turlut ndai bengi kham tur ngila tur ngila ikendo pat engineer ngila ikendo padiu long berkhot kini kani ka kam kan ya chkhmat ke kata ka de jing thu jong padam bansi tengi le chiki basa jrong kai ngin le ikendo ba ya u minister jong ka roads ba president song ke ngim kwa ban poi hadu ta kapot nomor ngi te borbor hi engineer jong ka PWD roads i ba karmudai te ba kloi ba apa bengi kerpat i ban wan hi dala de tengem kwa hi kata ban poi sedu ka pot tang ba mban se lada kampoi sindu tengem pan singin hapan liste
Tei ke group 1 la pen tre ndu usnam arpo kai. Angate.
Untuk bakut hat kendar.
Te kini pade kini ha kasnam arpo we. Kini lai group. Di jaga ni jing tre la pia. Imat sau group la pia. Group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4. Te kabangi ngile sem jing menta kadai ketika group 1. Kabau uniu kontraktor teng ubu briu tang laingot hak sisngi. Bat kataru haba bu briu laingot don kapor baki pep hak sitio ki pep laisngi baki wan tre laisngi. Nang ta kumju kane ke group 4 ro. Kane ru kane ke ju hi. Kabangi i bahadin dong ke Christmas don briu syu betre. Hak jing sisa hak kum ke jing keren jongi. Bat i mo hak dor basnong. Ngilak kerpat ikini ki kontraktor bikin pendam syuak Christmas. Berkata kadai ki jing ikut. Ba ngilak ya keren ru bar ka office jong II Central Division. Nga personally ngilak phone II bar ngilak ya thu ru II ki jing ka bangi ngi syam snong. Ba adin bangila pentip II ong kumne ong bayai kontraktor ki bam trei. Ki bam don nong trei ngin terminate no yaki. Bar ngi hang ne ngilak ya thu ru ba ke group 1 ni ba kane ke group 4 mdan nong tre syuk mentah kini ki group 2 ba group 3 kila pendap ki jing tre do ndai kila pendap ki jing tre te kata kade ke bangi kwa ban brief fi kum ong ramas nong menne namar kane ke kam kelas lem palat bat kala abu ru ya ki nong snong ki jing bat mdai tang ki nong snong ru ki besem jing bat kham tam ki nong leit nong wan kila tip hi ke mau khar kade ke jaka ke ba ki briu ki rung kimi ki leit ki wan bagilah hab ai kanu entry nomor ba kala sem jing palat bat ko ngira ba snong menne ba ki bapun ki balik bawan ngiyo snow ba ki keno ru ya ka jing bam trekam jong irang ba snong bat ya ka jing bam trekam jong ka dor ba snong kata ka de ki ba bakla ka de ki jing sutu bakla ka bangi hakan ka step ngiwan krang man pen sutu ya kata ba mdai na irang ba snong mdai na ka dor ba snong ba bakla hendrai baro kini kidehi ki jing suki na kaliang jong kontraktor ki kontraktor ki bayo ya kane ka kam
Kumsi benta ban kiner lem ye ke jing ram shaki long yeng ke biya kendu jing bat shem jing jenjar ka Khasi Student Union West Khasil District mantagas ngi kalalit pan ajing ram ya ke long yeng jong ka kong Batrisha Marwen nakashnong Nongstein ka jinglei ajing ram jong ke issue ka long hadien ba ka te ka long yeng kala don hapdeng jong ka jingkut lat ban pha sumar ya ukun ka du jong ka uwan pen kraw marwen o badang henyus nem kerta o balangat ha jingpang blood cancer but ulasha sumar ha Guwahati lalais nem kenti but menta on pen kit no yu sha Mumbai na ka menta ka jing sumar ka bakambha kumta ka seng da ka jing solem kalalit ban ajing ram da ka pisa sha ka te ka long yeng but ka kit bok kit riang ba uni hybrid un yo no ya ka jing ko jing kya kham kloy
Sudustri adin ni la tep ni singa pang jinja larka jipang jistom jungi hybrid jungkan kalong yeng mentala laisnam kunti la saapo Guwahati laisa sumar ta ka jipang kansa lo kansa jungi bat ngila yo singa ka jinja ka jing jong ki pa kham tam ban kani ga long yeng ukpar non syu nak leng joki me ipa ik khaban kit na dong sadong te kum ka sangi baju kit ki jing jong ki jai benre kham tam ki ba pang bistom ikan do ki jing ki ba phar tene kal liang ka seng menta iwan ban ikan do ya ipa ik mana kaleng jong itu iha baret bat kimi jong i idon sipo Mumbai bisa Sumar sipo Mumbai iwan ikan do ipa ik man ai kum ka jing ya snok tilang abedi kenega jik Sumar ya iha baret siti tene kaleng ka seng ni karpat ikiwi pat ki seng malang kiwi pat ki rangba ki badan ka ketika mon kadiang ki badan ka jingmot banira khamtam ki bapang bistam ki bejenjar ki badok makin mi sikmat banira lang namar kani ka jingpang bistam kar kamde ba tangkap tu kami sing dai da kisnan te ngakar palang ki weru makin mi sikmat banira lang man ai ketika mon kadiang jompi kram bi ini hybrid ini yo ta ka jing smart paka ba ini ano ka jing nat ko bakya terkit bok riang ban kalian kan kayeng kini ok men ko bakya khamtam ipa ik benang jing pang sistem menta mama iru ini ana ka jing ko jing khia lemma ka jing Sumar jong blei no jrong khamtam ki kasam bar hawi
ya kamet jong oba nil nong kenri unong seng jong ke kenuhun ruai mapau nam balatip kum ke Shillong Shamba Choir 8 poi menta ke Shiteng Met hamnong ba Guwahati ya kamet jong uti urang ba balakin tiu ba ya ke kerteng jong ke Meghalaya hakarwai ke siau la senran de ke pulit ke riboy haringkat ke magistrate naduk kat lengsuin Guwahati shadu nong po halenti kala donru ke jeng ai kublei pendon burom khadu yaute urang ba kuntup ngadu ka Jiva Resort bat kiwe kumban chupen ken mau uba anil ulakla no hanin ke janmet singi balang ha Mumbai hadin ke jingshi tom ka balbat ya u katu ka Newport nakaliang jong u mau for ulayo ru uban yekren but we ni ki dikot jong Shillong Shamba Choir ubala senran lang ya ka met jong uba anil.
Uncle Neil was a leader truly at heart who did not leave it that after he left, everything is gone. All these years, he brought us up and imbibed everything. Each one of the choir members has a part of Uncle Neil in us, if not all of it with us. And our dream and our vision is to fulfill all of his works and his desires. We are already thinking of what the plan is for the future. And we don't know who's going to take it forward and this and that. Those things have to sit down once all of this grieving process is over, and we will take it forward. And there's a fire, I was just telling people just now, there's a deep fire burning in our heart, more than before, that this is a legacy of Uncle that we will take forward. It's a tremendous period of grief for all of us, especially when we heard the news, because he was like a father to us. And he brought us up in so much goodness and love, especially, and to love our people. That's so important. How much he prayed for our people in the hidden. I think people don't know that. But now that he's no more here, I want to say that whoever's watching this, he was a deep man of prayer, and almost every day he would cry out to God for his people. That's how much he loved his people.
Last but not the least, what is his last words, like for the Meghalaya and especially in the music?
His last words, his last words were, "I'll see you soon." As simple as that.
Boom.
See you soon to us and to whoever meets him in heaven, where he is, and we shall see him soon. As I said earlier as well, I will not speak on Uncle Neil's behalf. I think that Uncle Neil speaks through his music. Listen to Nganya Eight Epa Koriba Eight Jonga. It's there. That song he wrote when the state was going through much turmoil, and he wrote that from his heart for his people. Let that be the message from his own words for the people. I think the message is in the song that we released, and that is Nganya Eight Yapa Koriba Eight Jonga. And I think the message that he wants to give to the rest of Meghalaya and to all of you is in that song itself. So please listen to it. And that is, Uncle Neil wrote those words from his heart, and he left everything in the UK and all a promising career to come back to Shillong and to start the Shillong Chamber Choir, which has brought honor and glory not only to our state, not only to our region, but the entire country. And he is a man who loved his people. He loved his people so much. So honor him and his memory. We're not sure of NGOs, not that we are aware of, because everything was done in a rush. It was an emergency. He only passed away yesterday. So we just, whatever help we could get, and that's all we know as well. But I'm sure help will keep coming as the days go on.
Sembut Menteri Rangba Akajela uba perstun tensong hakas ngito ading ulalaj bansngulam berpekadu ya kamet basa uba nil nukenri haying sa jeng kabadon hapokse nalor sembut Menteri Rangba KMLA MDC KDC juga East Khasi Hills bat kiwi ru kilalaj bansngulam bat aimen sim kibahing asem berpekadu ya kamet basa jong uba nil nukenri ya kamet uba nil nukenri lawan ra syakajela bat syakaying kasem hakamit ngipalay kumban chupan kan mau hang ne bau ba nil no kenri unong siang ka Shillong Chamber Choir ula khatno na kan ka slaperthei hakajan mit juga singi balang ha Mumbai hadin ka jingshitom kabala bad ula kato ka Newport badia kamet basa jong ba nil no kenri on tap don burom haka sing sajany ha ulum jing tap ka balang Presbyterian Halau Mali.
pi nakaliam jong ka state government ong tunjuk nakaliam kita sok senung ke jelam itu ni along kajing kendit ke bakau kajing runong ke bakau kajing plat ke rona kita boleh wajib terpam lengkapnya i nak kita jiwang kajing tet kajing put ke bagi yo i ru along ke purop ke bakau ke jelam bila warna sipun di yarok nak peleng ke pakai ini tang India nak peleng dia nak kalian jadi korban di tahap itu sembilan buat kunjuk ini dua boleh pun penik di sini dia nong yalam kita kau kita bah baik timet dan mesin nak kacau kacau ini di khatam yang terkut sama di badan sab ataran syafri lembah di jiwa saya kata buat hak for why boleh betul ke ye gasen harus boleh ye kini kita ya di kendung ya di men baru di hantamnya ya ta selong sama apa tapi ni tu akan menskep boleh berangkat pada jalan ya di Malaysia
untuk bakal cah ya ka saya tiga jemi tam-tam dekat gue bandu noi ba nil ini nomor berapa konam juga selong tambah kaya Sampai bikin mau bah, agak power ini itu kalau kita bisa melayu di depan itu tidak lagi job ini berbun di competitions. Semoga negara ini ada kan Pak Bos Ulam sedang sam, apa itu paling dekat begitu dekat ini banyak.
Karena kalian juga aku kumui na bilang alam di badan pag jelah. Pat kumui na ti samlang kita dia tatang wanwan. Aso ba kalong siya digo ko kau ya ka negeri ka bai ka dong yang tadi negeri India seperti di Paraguay. Kalau perkat temenin masih ke bilik tingkang ngasem gini ke Suruai Pak Anil Au tim ke Selong tambah kuat. Terus sisa ke Selong dulong ke kau. Kemudian ini no beri gemar gitu mulai. Ini ai tak jungkit bak ke dia. Jadi Selong sambar kuat mulai Pak Anil dan Suruh dengan dan kejungkulan. Sebindan kita mikni ke sekarang ini kita lihat di Selong sambar kuat. Nggak ada buruk kejeng terpan jadi selong sambar kuaya di paru kuaya walau dari panggil dan suruh dari bercindai bentuk mesin dari bandan kejeng teman yang teksong kejeng kejeng long kuaya dan mengkawan orang juga burung jaga jelah pada kering di paru kuaya dengan hak kejeng sunam jadi selong sambar kuaya pada kejeng sambar kuaya pan ai bagi mesin kejeng panggil long kuaya dan yang jam haji long malam kuaya
Ti kumtung ila poisya ka bukut jongga thup kubor sa chisen pat kublai shibon ye phibaro tan hadu begin de shembyang kublai shibon